Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a seemingly simple, yet incredibly essential piece of tech. The DIGITMON USB Host Data Sync Charger Power Cable. Now, while the name might sound a bit technical, what we have here is a remarkably versatile and robust USB 2 cable designed to keep your digital life flowing smoothly, especially if you're a proud owner of a Fujitsu ScanSnap iX1500 Deluxe document scanner. This isn't just any ordinary cable, it's engineered for performance and convenience. One of the first things that stands out is its impressive length. We're talking about an extra-long 15 feet, or approximately 4.5 meters. This generous length provides incredible flexibility, allowing users to connect their devices without being tethered to a nearby outlet or computer port. Imagine setting up your printer or scanner exactly where it's most convenient, even if that's across the room or tucked away neatly under a desk, without having to worry about cable reach. That kind of freedom can truly transform a workspace. Beyond its length, the DIGITMON cable boasts excellent data transmission capabilities. It's a USB 2 standard cable, which means it can achieve speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. For practical purposes, this translates to incredibly fast data syncs and quick printing. You can expect your documents to be sent to the printer or your scanned images to transfer to your computer in mere seconds, significantly boosting productivity and cutting down on waiting times. The compatibility of this cable is another major highlight. While it's an ideal companion for the Fujitsu ScanSnap iX1500, its utility extends far beyond that specific scanner. This USB Type A male to Type B male connection cable is perfect for a vast array of devices. Think about all those essential peripherals in your home or office: HP, Canon, Lexmark, Epson, Dell, Xerox, and Samsung printers, various scanners, fax machines, external hard drive disks, servers, and even more specialized equipment like MIDI devices, DACs, snowball microphones, and development boards. It truly serves as a universal replacement cord for numerous brands, including Arduino, Blue, Brother, CyberPower, IOGAR, M-Audio, and Panasonic, just to name a few. If it has a USB-B port, chances are this DIGITMON cable will connect it seamlessly to your laptop or PC, whether it's a Mac or a Windows machine. The cable itself comes in a sleek black color, ensuring it blends discreetly into any setup. Its robust construction ensures a reliable and stable connection, minimizing interruptions during critical tasks. For anyone looking to upgrade their existing connections, or simply needing a dependable, extra-long cable for their printer, scanner, or other USB-B device, especially for that high-performance Fujitsu ScanSnap iX1500, this DIGITMON offering presents itself as a top-tier choice. It combines speed, length, and broad compatibility into one essential accessory, making it a valuable addition to any tech arsenal.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.